One more example for the benefit of the new students. An irregular prescription right over here. Vicodin. Okay. I'll do the Vicodin. It's a little bit different than usual. Okay, it's not a straight up, okay, this is what you do. Okay. Vicodin. The prescription is RX Vicodin. So this is an old prescription because we don't have 5/500 anymore. 325. 5/500 milligrams. This pen's 70. 1 to 2. Q4 to 6H. PRN. You have to calculate day supply. Pay attention, freshmen. Okay, because this is not usual. When you see this sig, 1 to 2, Q4 to 6H, which am I going to give the patient 1 or 2? Here's how you're going to think, okay? The insurance will pay for max anyway. So don't short the patient. Give them max. So you'll use the 2. Another thing I'd like you to remember is Q4 to 6H, you don't choose between 4 to 6H. How many hours are in a day? 24. So if I were you, so 24 divided by 4 is, this is 6 times a day, right? 24 divided by 6 is 4 times a day. If I were you, I'm going to cancel this. This gets confusing if this becomes 6 to 8 hours. Why? This is 4x if it's 6 hours. If it's 8 hours, this is 3x. You don't choose from here. You pick the max on this one, the versus, okay? The number of times right there. So how are you going to solve this? 70 divided by 2 times 6 or 4? 6. 2 times 6 is 12. So this will be 70 divided by, what's my divisor? 12. That clear? Clear? There's another irregular prescription in there. Methotrexate on the right, 1, 2, 3, third down. What's the answer here? Vicodin first. What's the answer here? 5, correct. Good job. 5 what? Okay. This is for the freshmen because they haven't done this. Methotrexate, right side in class, 3 rows down. 3 items down. Did you see? Yeah. It's another irregular prescription, and I want to discuss this. Right. And I have a shortcut for it. Methotrexate is the prescription. Freshmen, you should be paying attention to this. Okay. 2.5 mg dispense. 18. 1 TID. On days, look at this, 10 to 15 of each month. Everybody pay attention to this because this is not a regular prescription. Your final answer will still be in days. Okay, so here's how this goes. You need a 2.5 milligrams. No, it just tells you what's the strength of the methotrexate that you're gonna be using. So cross that out because it's not necessary in the calculation, at least for the day supply. Okay, right? You need to give the patient 18 tablets for the entire duration of treatment. However, you only give the patient on days 10 to 15. Now you have to count. How many days is that? 10 days 10 to 15. Day 10, day 11, day 12, day 13, day 14, day 15. So I'm going to cancel this out and I'll put 6 days here instead. Can you follow? I only have to give the patient 6 days, but I'm going to encircle this because it's 6 days per month. Are you following? Okay. So if we proceed, then it will be 1 times 3 times 6. So what is that? 18. Now let's proceed. Total quantity divided by sig divisor. 18 divided by 18 is 1 day. That can't be right. There's your unit, 1 month. So your final answer should be 30 days because you said that there's always 30 days in 1 month in pharmacy. Here's the shortcut. Once you see this word days, from days, this to this is how you do it. Because sometimes your fingers and your toes are not enough to do the math. So this is how we do it. Larger day number, 15, minus smaller day number. What is this? 5. Always add 1. That's your 6 days right over here. See that? Okay. Those are some of your irregular prescriptions. Okay? But this is how you calculate day supply. Always max. You don't base it on the 4 to 6 hours. You base it on the number of times per day. Any questions?
So you always add a 1?
You always add a 1. Once you see from days, this to this. Larger day number minus smaller day number plus 1. Because if you count day 10, day 11, day 12, day 13, day 14, where's that? 10, 11, 12, 13. For what days? The days? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6 days. That's why there's a plus 1. If you don't do the plus 1, you're going to have the wrong answer. Okay? Larger day number minus smaller day number plus 1 is the shortcut. Only on prescriptions like this. Okay? Good? Okay.